Good evening from Disney's Polynesian Resort. I am here this evening to hop over to Magic Kingdom and take a look at all of the brand new Halloween decorations that have hit Main Street. It'll be super exciting, and maybe we can even catch a little bit of the new merchandise that was just released. It's just me today. Lindsay went back to work today, so all those kids that are back in school, you're welcome. So come along with me and let's see what we can get into. Have a fun time. Thank you. Check out all this new merch. And they are doing a 2-item limit per guest. They've got the Mickeys and the Minnies. All this new stuff. Happy Halloween. With the new kind of like plaid ear pattern on there. This is cute. Kid sizes. So something interesting. This is normally where they would put all of the new merch, but they've actually moved it and kept this display up for now with all of this summertime pattern, which this is cute too. This is cute. It's all cute. You can see from across the temporary bakery location is where they actually have the display of all the new Halloween merch. This is so cute. Oh my gourd. Oh my gosh. This Loungefly is really cute too.
Sorry?
Of course, it's got the ears on it. So as I was looking for the new ears, they're actually hidden over here, kind of off to the side. So these are really cute. And the Loungeflies, which interesting because 2 seconds ago this bin was empty. So I will say that the way that they're displaying these bags by just throwing them in the bins, I don't know if they just know that people are gonna buy them so it doesn't matter, but you have bags that are coming out with ears that look like that. The ears are coming out really mangled because they're just being thrown in the bins. I almost wish that they would have devoted more of the wall space to hanging these bags. Because to find one right now with really good ears and, you know, good placement and everything is a little difficult. And I guess there were a couple up there, but this is so cute. Hey there, pumpkin. I think we're good. I think this will do it today. That's gonna do it for the merch, I think. Lots of really cute stuff. The bags are cute, the shirts are cute, the ears are cute, so be prepared to drop a pretty penny on all of that merch. Over the ice cream parlor, you can see that some of the pumpkins actually are ice cream cones. I could go for some ice cream. Huh. I guess the hub grass is still green. This is also the very first night of the Boo Bash, so you can definitely tell that it's starting to fill up. Interesting that this sign is up because I could swear that I saw that tonight's event was sold out.
Bye, have a great night.
Thank you. Alright, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and remember to subscribe. We've got some new content coming out every Tuesday and Thursday. So thank you so much for being here. Have a great evening, everybody.